Hi, it's me Iffy Angler and you are watching Iffy Angler TV. In today's video I will teach my friend if the rod top guide is broke, its ceramic come out or it's come out from the rod, so how to replace it in home by ourselves. So let's start our video. For this purpose you need a scissor, an epoxy, a lighter, a plier, a knife and top ring guide thread. So you take out the old one from the rod. For this purpose you make this one with the lighter, you make this one soft. Don't touch the body with the fire. So you make this epoxy soft and then with the knife you remove this slowly and there will be a thread. Take it out and there is another thread, different color. This one you can leave there to make it more professional, so you will start from there again. Take out this thread, the colored one is there, and make this one hot. Then with the plier you can take it out. After take it out with the knife, make it clean like this. Then you have to mix the epoxy a little bit, no need too much, just small amount. This epoxy is for 5-minute epoxy, like if it will be dry in 5 minutes, so you need to be mix it hurry, like 1 to 2 minutes. Same quantity you have to put both of them. Is a clear epoxy, you don't need the colored one, the clear one. So mix these two epoxies well. Once fixed, you have to fill this into the top guide, the good one, and then the rod tip also you can dip little bit or you can apply on the rod tip. Then you fix the guide there, and if the guide is little, if it's little bigger, so you can adjust it with the plier. Just slowly crimp, no need too much, slowly crimp so don't damage the rod body. Fix it, align it and keep it for 2 to 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Once it's dry, it will not move. So now it's already fixed. So here you will get the thread. We get the thread and then we have to tie the thread around. From that color thread is already there before. After this color thread we apply this black color thread. Any color of thread you can use. So here have one trick. You see this one, this should be a PE line, much better. You keep here and then like this way you tie this one on the top. This will make a super knot there. Like this way you cut the excess one like this with the scissor or with the knife, and you take it inside like this way. Once you make it little tight, is go inside, you cut the excess one and pull it down so the thread will go inside and it will become a super knot. Now it's already done. So there is a small outside, you can burn it, the small ones, so this one become plain. Now you apply the epoxy and here you make another epoxy because the before one done. So this one you apply like this and then you have to make rotate the rod. That's why the epoxy will be even. So you have to make like this. In the end you take another thread out and check if it's stuck there or not. If it's not stuck, so after like some minutes it's dry already and now you can go and use it. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching our videos.